Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yami D here, and today I am doing another week in my life. If you guys really like those videos, so I'm thinking I should just continue giving you more of those kind of videos. So this video is going to be a week in my life. Today is my first day of the week, so you guys already know I like to prep before all my clients. So that's basically turning on my lights. Right now I have my humidifier going on because I like to make sure I have good humidity, because you know that really plays a part with your retention. And every time I get to work, my humidity is like 16%. Like, it's really bad in here, so I'd like to turn my humidity on and get the humidity going. And so yeah, my client doesn't come till 11:30. My first client doesn't come till 11:30. Right now it's 11 o'clock, so by the time she gets here, my humidity will be good. Last time I worked, I already prepped everything before, so everything's already prepped. I have my tape out. So yeah, that's that. So let me just go ahead and turn my light on, and that's pretty much everything I need to do. I'm just gonna shake up my glue, but I'm gonna like, oh, you guys are crooked. I just need to shake up my glue, but I'm gonna shake up my glue 30 minutes, well, 10 minutes when she gets here, so I have enough time. So I just went ahead and turned on my LED lights, but you guys seen this plenty of times. And basically I made the lash wall, the flower wall. I made it with Amazon flowers and like a board. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like, I made this with the boards. So it's like two boards attached to each other, and I glued these flowers on it. And then I got my lights from Etsy, because I know you guys ask those questions a lot. So that's where I got my flower wall and my LED lights. But anyways, I did end up getting 2 Amazon packages. So the first thing I got are these tapes. I'll show you what these tapes are, and it's basically these clear tape where you don't have to like you can lift your client's lid up without having to touch their eyebrows. And the last thing I got was just a pair of J curl lashes to use on one of my clients, because she wants kind of like a messy lash look, and I know like J curls, and I know like mixing curls like J's and B's with D's and CC curls can give that kind of messy look. So just basically mixing curls will give your client that messy lash look. So one of my clients want that look.
But these bitches in my business cut me out, you're choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside, I keep it quiet. Get all this way on the nose. But if you can keep it, nobody knows shit. I need you to get the fuck on my space. The placement's on the way, please don't play. Once he's spinning like a bread escape. I need no drink, gold eyes don't change. I'm fucking out and making love. You're choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside, I keep it quiet. But I don't see I'm the lowest of the lows. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows shit. But I don't see I'm the lowest of the lows. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows shit. I need total confidential private shit. Don't want no one thinking I'm a robot. The times don't change, that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves. Whatever you need.
So I made it back home. I wanted to show you guys. I got a few Amazon packages. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox that for you guys. I also have the present I want to give my client for tomorrow. So I'm gonna show you that as well. So let's start off with the Amazon packages. I feel like I should just show you guys that on Sunday because these are all just for my class. This is what I ordered for my client. Oh my god, you guys see? Okay, perfect. Came with the bag. So I just ordered her some champagne glasses from Tiffany because she just got married. So I'm so happy for her and I just want to congratulate her. So I bought her some wine glasses and she's gonna be my last client for tomorrow. So I'm gonna surprise her and I'm so excited. Like, it came in this box.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's time for what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Baby, I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
It's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you know what you want. At this time, go where I want. Hope you doing what you want. But what you want?
I don't know. You play loud.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Chateau, my mom got the New York to shelf. Now my bitch is pretty to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's time, go where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown.
I bought you a surprise. Oh my god. How you guys love me?
You know I love a good kid.
Congratulations. You're welcome.
Yes, see? I was like, I was nice. Something I was like.
Who you know? Hey you guys, so it's the next day. I just finished doing my first client. I'm gonna put a video on the side of the set that I did. I did like a volume wispy set. I didn't really film doing that set because that's my friend and it's kind of tricky doing her lashes. I was trying to make sure her eyes weren't red, so I did a pretty good job with that. So yeah, we have 2 more clients today. I believe they're all new sets. Let me make sure. Oh no, we're doing one more new set and then a fill, and then that's it for that day. I also have a ton of Amazon packages. Okay, I have 5 Amazon packages that I want to open because I am doing a class this Sunday. So these are all her stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and open everything for you guys and show you guys what I got. So the first thing is some Stacey Lash glue. I like to practice with these. I don't do my lash sets with Stacey Lash. I don't recommend doing your sets with these. I only recommend like practicing with these. So these are only for practicing purposes. Don't do your sets with Stacey Lash glue. Don't do your sets with any Amazon lash glue. So I have that. I have the GTX tweezers. You guys already know if you guys seen my Amazon favorites video. All these, whatever I got on this Amazon Prime is what I like to use in my classes. I really love their tweezers. So I have that for her. And then I just got some T-dance trays. Like I said before, I like to practice with these. So I got a few of these. More trays. I got the removable eyelids for mannequin heads. This is what I like to use to like do the sets. I used to like the head, like the big mannequin head. I feel like one, these are more realistic, and two, you can change out the eyelids, so you're not rebuying the head over and over again or buying the strips. I feel like the strips is not realistic. I really like these, so I got these for her to practice on. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up. Like I said, I just finished my first client. I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything away. Probably run to Dollar Tree real quick because I do need to get some bags. So yeah, I will see you guys with my next 2 clients.
Let's go back to the time when your nigga used to trip by the time we spent growing up with your friend. It was all friendly on my end, even though I look forward to seeing you again. Like, when am I seeing you again? Hey, when are we speaking again? Yeah, you look good with that ink on your skin. Hood, but you far from the streets you was in. Oh yeah, no, he don't like it. Call me up, he don't like it. This was the perfect timing. Talking about you like a queen, making him mad. As if you never even matter. And you a bad bitch, you keep getting better. This ain't a side nigga anthem. I've been straight 40, going backward. You was on the verge of losing. You was acting like you ain't want shit to do with her. I cut out with bullshit and kept it true with her. That's why the sexual tension is high when I'm in rooms with her. She really the shit, I don't be juicing. I'm the shit too, that's why I'm so in tune with her. I feel like I'm something on you. I feel like you grew on me. Have I grown on you? Done frontin' like I don't want you. Keep treating me like I don't know you. Back and forth between me and all your niggas. Get busy tonight, that figures. Tonight you standing hissing. And still I answer your call when he doesn't answer at all. Well, I want that too, that's all. I need the same in return, that's all. It's all I want, all I want, all I want. It's all I want, all I want, all I want. Just one time.
So I just made a quick stop at this little postal place. I think it's called this Postal Net. Because I forgot I needed to print out this girl's certificate. And if you guys want to know how I made it, Canva. Like, I use Canva for everything. So definitely get Canva. It's good for businesses, good for designing. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and run real quick because I do have to head back to work for my next client. So let's go. Hey y'all. It's the next day, last day of the week, and you guys are just gonna see me prep for that class. So I'm really excited. I'm just gonna go ahead and bring this table out. Bring this table that I have out right here, and that's basically how I'm gonna I'm just gonna lay it out right here and just set everything up for that class. Yeah, I'm really excited because I love teaching classes. I love I just love like females like leveling up, being businesswomen, just like entrepreneurs. I'm really excited for that right now. And definitely, if you guys live in New York, definitely take my class because I do the best class ever. I'm gonna put my flyer up right here. So if you're in New York, definitely book me for your classes, cause period.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Pay and beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Home got put in no work, guys in order. This shit ain't got serious, the meetings come plural. I'm leaving by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got pictures galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash, just in case if you merging. My young niggas kill, get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga. Who for you working? I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers. I'm pouring that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished. I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city. I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low car, the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, cullin' and shot in my driving ain't solid. I keep it on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can